COT Pay is the first internally developed application on the COT platform to utilize a fiat-pegged stablecoin, the COT Dime. For this demonstration, I'll be showing you how to use COT Pay to buy a sweatshirt, but this process will be the same with any other merchant. First things first, you're going to want to add the item you want to buy to the cart and go to checkout. Enter the various fields with your information and then under Payment Options, select COT Pay. Click Next again, and then click Pay with COT Dime. If you already have an account, then you'll log in here. If you need to create an account, then click on Sign Up. After clicking on Sign Up, you will be directed to the COT payment system. Enter your email and create a password. Choose your country of residence, click on the confirmation box, reCAPTCHA box, and then click on Sign Up. There will be a confirmation email sent to your email address, where you'll click on the Verify button. Next, fill out the KYC steps. Here you'll fill out your address, upload a photo ID, and a document with your proof of residence, such as a utility bill. You'll see a confirmation checkmark, and once your account is verified, you'll be able to log in to your COT Pay wallet. If you don't already have COT Dime, then you'll want to buy some. To do this, head over to COT Pay, and after successful login, you'll be redirected to the overview screen that displays your COT balance, trust score, and recent transactions. Click on Deposit, enter the amount you want, and then enter your credit card information. You'll get a success notification once everything goes through, and you'll see your new funds in your wallet. Now let's head back to the shop and click Pay with COT Dime. Here it will show you what you're buying and how much it will cost. Click Pay Now and you'll be redirected to the confirmation of your order. And that's it. Once you have an account, the process is incredibly easy. Just log in and pay. If you have any questions or want to stay connected, please check out our community on Telegram or contact us via email. Thank you and have a great day.